Hello everybody, it's Jason, JJD Photography, and I welcome you to my channel. So I'm actually heading down to the park, Heath Town. Yeah, so they have a fun day, barbecue, family fun day with lots of games. There's business there. So basically they have all different stores, food, everything you name it is there. So I'm actually going there at the moment. I'm gonna have a good day. But last year I went to the fun day last year and I had a Polaroid camera. So you hear the music in the background. And this is the Polaroid camera that I'll be using. So I'll be going around asking people's pictures and then asking a donation. Last time someone gave me £5. I wasn't expecting it. What happened is I went to the person and this person's hair was like this. So I kind of liked it. So I went up to him and told him what I was doing. And I took his photo and he says, nothing is free, nothing is free. And he gave me £5. So I've changed the project around. So anytime I go to anyone asking them, can I take your picture with this nice camera, I expect to get a donation. It could be £1. My mum was saying, don't expect too little off this project. Why don't aim higher and higher? So I'm like, okay. So is everyone gonna give me £5? No, not everybody's gonna give me £5. People may give me small change or little 50p or whatever. So that's what it is. So we see what goes on. But I'm going to show you around before I go and do the project. come, when it's gonna come, like.
Oh yeah, I see.
Like,
It's coming out.
yeah. So it's interesting. Yeah, so basically, I'll put it on YouTube.
Put it on YouTube.
Yeah, put it on YouTube.
Yeah, put it on YouTube.
If you're fine with it,
Yeah,
you're fine,
put it on
yeah.
YouTube.
Yeah, that's alright, yeah. It's just a picture. So I was looking around, me and Mel was looking around, and I approached this woman. She was selling cakes, and I told her who I was. I said, my name is Jason. You know, I'm taking pictures with this nice Polaroid camera. I'm doing donations. So she says to me, do you have a card? And I says, no, I don't have a card. She says, everybody's doing card now. No one is doing cash. No one is doing cash. So I says to her, I used to have one of these. This is a card machine, but it went in an error. So they said I may have to go and buy another one because I don't know what happened, but I couldn't get it fixed. So they said get a new one. So I found myself not doing that. I found myself not going there again. So I was gonna go to get it repaired, or not get it repaired, but get a new one, but I just forgot about it. So she says to me, you should get a card reader. You should get a card reader. It's on your phone. I'm like, okay. So I was like thinking about it. I was doing the project, getting the pictures, getting donation, and someone else said the same thing. Do you have a card? And I says no. So there's me thinking about it, and I decide to do it. And I found that I got £50 that day, £50. It was a shocker, but it was really, it was a high day for me. It was interesting. But if you like what you hear, please subscribe. It was an amazing day for me. It really is, and I enjoyed it, and I enjoyed this project, taking people's pictures and printing it for them and getting a donation.